substance we are going to study is rubber. Rubber is a natural substance and it is obtained by collecting latex of a tree. By collecting latex of a tree, rubber is prepared or obtained. Now, this latex of a tree is obtained from one tree called Hevea brasiliensis. The botanical name of that tree is Hevea brasiliensis. The name indicates that in abundance it is produced or obtained in world in Brazil. That means maximum production of rubber is obtained in Brazil in world, and in India, Kerala is the state in which rubber is obtained in maximum quantity. Also in Maharashtra, rubber can be obtained. Vulcanization is very important process in rubber. Now, what is the definition of this vulcanization? That we will see. The chemical process in which rubber is heated with sulfur for 3 to 4 hours to make it hard is called vulcanization of rubber. And who is the inventor of this process? Charles Goodyear is the scientist who invented vulcanization of rubber. Now, what is the history behind this? How he came to this conclusion that when rubber is heated, it makes heated with sulfur for 3 to 4 hours, it makes hard rubber. What is the history that we will see? Charles Goodyear, he spilled a mixture of rubber with sulfur on a burning stove. There was a burning stove, and what happened by mistake? He spilled the mixture on it, and when he extinguished that flame of that burner or stove, at that time he saw that rubber with sulfur, it became very hard, somewhat hard, and then he repeated that experiment again and again in a systematic way, and then he came to the conclusion that rubber when heated with sulfur, it becomes hard, and then he decided the duration of heating, and as per the purpose of that rubber, use of that rubber, it can be made harder or less hard. So there are two types of rubber based on this: rubber with less sulfur and rubber with more sulfur. Rubber with less sulfur, the examples are eraser, then toys, balls, rubber bands. These are the examples of rubber with less sulfur. And rubber with more sulfur, it is required in tires and wheels. See, tires, they have increased the speed of our life also, and that's why tires and wheels, they are very important in our very fast moving life. Nowadays we have to go here and there, and we have to do so many work, and without vehicle it cannot be possible, and vehicles, they cannot run without wheels and tires. That's why we should thanks to Charles Goodyear and for this great invention. This rubber, it is also two types, natural as well as artificial rubber. Natural rubber, it is directly obtained from the plant, and when it is processed, and at that time it becomes artificial rubber. There are two properties properties of rubber? It has typical odor. Odor means smell. And it is white in color. These are the properties of rubber. Okay, students. Now you must have understood the process of vulcanization of rubber and some brief information about rubber. Where it is produced in maximum quantity? In the world it is produced in Brazil, and in India it is produced in Kerala. What is the botanical name of rubber? Hevea brasiliensis. Okay, thank you.